Welcome G-Tex Designs. This episode we will be building part 3-11, the boiler clinker door latch arm for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. Welcome G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. In this episode we will be building part 3-11, the boiler clinker door latch arm for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's open up the template MMGS and let's get building. Alright, so let's go to the right plane, sketch. We want actually I'm going to do, you can do this one of two ways. You use this key thing here, but I'm going to go a different way. So start there to there. That's going to be 50 mil. And then we're going to have a circle there. Circle there, and let's just put these two horizontal, and those two should be horizontal, and only do that. That's a raise of 4. Beautiful. Bring that a bit more. Beautiful. Line from there to there. And from there to there, that should lock everything in. It does. And then we do 2 circles, one there, one there. They're gonna be 4 mil, 4 mil diameter, 4 mil. Oh, actually no. Yes, but one won't be. We get rid of that one. Doesn't matter which one. Actually, no, keep that one. Get rid of that one. Doesn't matter. Yes, get rid of that one. Because one's got a hole in it, one's actually a handle. Or grip or something. So that's that one. So now we go to extrude, and that's going to be 3 mil. Mid plane and good to go. Okay, it's got both open and closed. We want that one. Open and closed contours. Hold on. Why is that one? Go back to sketch. Actually, get out of that one. Oh! These two didn't join together. I misjoined them. Okay. That's better because I should have realized I didn't show up. Okay. Beautiful. So was it 3 mil? Yep, 3 mil. That's better. Nope, wrong one. Mid plane and good to go. Select the solid surface by up to by done again. Mid plane. Thank you. And done. There we go. Now we need to do the handle. Before we do, just shove that on there, make it pretty. Okay, so now we want this one there, sketch. Wait there, good. That's the center point there. I didn't think of that. So that's actually why I need the handle. That works out pretty good. Okay, so we want, that's gonna be 4 mil as well. Yes, it is. Right dimension, 4 mil. That's going to be, it's actually 16 at the end, but it's got a dome on the end, so 14 and done. So we want a dome here. So if we go to, so if we do sketch, center point, Nope, it's got to be in the middle. And that's wrong one. Center line. We do just out that way. Let's see if this works. I don't want that one. Delete that one. Okay, so exit out of that one. We want plane. Want that one to there. No. No. We don't want that one, sorry. Plane. Oops. Try that again. Yeah, there. Plane. So we want this line, but this point. There we go. Perfect. That's what we need. Doesn't matter whether it's not square or not because it's going to go around. So, okay, yep, that's good. So now let's go to normal. Beautiful. That's my which side. Sketch. We want that line there. Want there. There. We need to close that in. So we want line there to there to there. And why is that not? Ah, that's why. That point and that point. Okay. That point and that point will be horizontal. There we go. And that's going to be, what was it, 4? So it's going to be raised 2. There we go. That's there. Now we want feature, revolve, there. There we go. And okay. And we've got knob on there. Hide that one. We've got the and hide that one. There we go. Beautiful. That's part 3-11, the boiler clinker door latch arm done. Have you enjoyed the episode? If you enjoyed it or learned something, or just whatever, click the like button. If you want to see more, subscribe. Thank you everyone that has. I'll see you next episode. And remember, thank you very much.